Find or read reviews that people are talking about JeeJTek smartwatch model TGW008. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Clear and stable Bluetooth call. Adopting Bluetooth version 5.3 call chip makes your communication during the call smoother. It has stronger anti-interference ability, longer battery life, and covers a larger Bluetooth call range. Intelligent noise reduction algorithm can eliminate background noise. It allows you to hear the other party clearly during the call. Smart notification and quick reply. When you receive a message, call, or notification, this digital smartwatch will remind you by vibration or ringing, so you will not miss important calls and messages from your lover/friend. Make your life simpler and smarter. The quick reply function for Android phones allows you to send preset short replies to received messages. 24-hour health monitoring. Real-time monitoring of your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep and more. The activity tracker records your steps, calorie consumption, and other activity data. This gives you an in-depth understanding of your physical and mental health. 102 plus sports modes. The sports watch is equipped with more than 100 sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, hiking, yoga, football, strength training, and more, helping you achieve a healthier lifestyle. 7-day plus battery life and IP68 waterproof. This digital watch has a large battery capacity of 300 mAh and low power consumption chips. Bluetooth 5.3 enjoys up to 10 days of battery with normal use and 30 days on standby. It adopts an IP68 waterproof design, so you can wear it with confidence when it rains or sweats. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.